Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery of iPhone X. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Today I have here this iPhone X, and the problem on it is the battery. I will show you how to replace the battery. So to open this phone, we will go here and open these two screws in the bottom. Using the pentalobe screwdriver. Once the two screws in the bottom are removed, we're gonna use the suction cup tool begin pulling the screen away from the case. Once there's a gap showed up, we're gonna use the pry tool. And we will insert it here between the frame and the glass. We will pry up gently. What we're going to do again is just like this, slide it on the edge, just carefully, don't go deep inside, and don't pry up careless. Then we open it like we are opening a book. Before we go ahead, we need to turn off this phone. Okay, once we open the phone like we are opening a book, what we're gonna do, we will use the tri-point screwdriver to remove the bracket from here. Try to make sure to not mix the screws. You know, because they are different sizes and shapes. Alright, they are unscrewed now. Then we have this bracket here, and just lift it up like this. Then the first thing we're gonna do, we need to disconnect the battery. This is the battery cable right here. Disconnect it. So now we're gonna disconnect the LCD cable. We have some cables here, I'm just disconnect them. Good, we put the screen aside now, we will work on the battery here. Alright, so to remove the battery from here, it's supposed to have adhesive, and we can pull them out. It seems don't want to be pulled out. No worries. We can use the heat mat to help softer the adhesive. We use a few 99% isopropyl alcohol and rip it into the backside of battery. Insert the tool and gently lifting up the battery from the back. Alright, once remove the battery, we can see the adhesive left on the back cover. We are going to remove adhesive to prepare for our new battery. Perfect, it's time for new battery. Carefully to put the new battery on the place should be. Pressure it a bit and let the adhesive fit better. Then, we are going to put the screen back on and reconnect the cables. Then we have this bracket here and put it exactly how it was placed here. Alright, we're gonna to reinstall the screws. Alright, we're gonna to check the phone work well before we reinstall the two pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone. Perfect, we're gonna to reinstall the two pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone. Appreciate your watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button, and don't forget to leave a comment below on what you'd like to see in future videos. See you in the next videos.